Hey guys! Today let's learn how to delete Apple ID from iPhone without password. So if you guys want to go ahead and delete your Apple ID from your specific iPhone without your password, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead under your app stores over here. What we can do from here is to go on over on our app stores, and I want you to proceed with tapping on your profiles in the top right corner. And if you do have your account logged in over here, I want you to go ahead and sign out real quick. No signing. It will be easy, because it will also be located right here on the bottom section of your sign out option. And then from here, let's go ahead and sign back in again. Now, let's go ahead and basically enter our details. Let's continue with using, of course, our Apple ID with this. So once you've already entered your Apple ID password, that is gonna allow you now to proceed with actually signing out to your Apple ID from other devices. Now, that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.